వెండితెరపై నవ్వుల సేద్యం, ప్రతి మనస్సును తాకే వినోదాల వ్యవసాయం. శ్రీకారం మార్చి 11న గ్రాండ్ రిలీజ్.
Thank you. Sir, respected Additional DG Jitendra sir, Abhijit Chandra sir, Brigadier, then Colonel Srinivas Garu, Kurukshetra sir, and then Dharam Singh sir, and Venkateshwarlu, my additional DCP, other members who are present here. He is not there. His representative is there. So, very warm welcome, sir, to all of you to this program. I wish all the women present here a very happy International Women's Day, and I deem it my pleasure to be here and then be among the young NCC girls who are here and who are so happy and then so excited to be a part of this program. I thought कि just they have invited me for a movie. I will just go inside and see the movie, enjoy myself. ये भाषण देना था तो बहुत सारे programs थे मेरे लिए. I avoided all those things because I'm so tired of giving all the women safety bhashans, especially with respect to International Women's Day. So anyway, this is again another unavoidable place. Again, I'm made to speak. So all the girls out there, be very strong and stand on your own 2 feet. Don't think that some guy will come and marry you and that is bliss. You have to think about your future. Always plan on a career. So the way I came here was, I was married at the age of 18. And then that too with intermediate qualification. So you can see with determination and hard work, what are the places you can all reach. So take me as an example, get inspired and don't get into love affairs and all that. Enjoy life, study well, build a career for yourself and then rock the world. Do something good for humanity. You get the opportunity to do something if you study and then you become something. So my good wishes to all of you out there and all the men here. I wish that all of you would encourage your women to come out and then study. Your children, your wives, everyone, please encourage them. Everyone has some talent or the other, so you should encourage that talent in the women and allow them to grow. I thank you all for giving me this opportunity. Thank you once again.
First of all, I thank AMB Cinemas for inviting me for this International Day for Women, and I'm happy to be part of this function here. Mr. Abhijit Chandra ji, Mr. Brigadier Colonel Srinivas, our DCP Madhapur Venkateshwar Rao sahab, Mr. Kurukshetra, Ansuya ji, our additional DCP in charge of she teams, Colonel Dharam Singh, all ladies and gentlemen. I'm happy to be here. On this day, I would only like to say that why people become important is, first of all, you should have financial independence. So all women, I feel, if you want to be really equal, you want to be really going up, you should have financial independence. I always feel that even I tell this thing to my daughter also. She is now 24 years, she has completed her MA. I keep telling her that if you really want to be reaching the heights, first you have to attain financial independence and make a career for yourself. If you do it, then you can lead your life in a way you want. Yes, ma'am also told that when she was married, she was 18 years old. But yes, there are a lot of opportunities, even if the opportunities at the home or otherwise don't permit. The whole world is available for you. You can always do well. I know so many friends who were from not a very good family. They could not afford higher education. They did some work initially. They studied after doing some jobs for 2-3 years, maybe small jobs, and now they are at a very high positions in their career. It is same for men and women. I always feel opportunities for men and women are equal, and I am happy to see lots of women now shining, and they are really making their careers, and they are now, if you see top CEOs also, many women find their place in top CEOs in the world, and Fortune 500 companies also, if you see, there are a lot of women who are doing very well, and I feel opportunities are equal for everyone. You have to exploit this potential, and I always feel, another thing I feel, all of us are like Hanuman. Hanuman, you all know one character. He did not know his potential. Somebody had to tell him every time that this is your potential. Unless he is told about the potential, he would not go and get Sanjeevani from Himalayas, from Lanka, going in a day and coming back. So unless he is told about his potential, he would not have done it. So I always feel each human being is like Hanuman, and he has huge potential. And if you really understand your potential, in fact, in Hanuman's case, it was a like curse to him that he will forget his potential. Somebody has to tell him. But here it is not like this for human beings. There is no curse. Nobody has cursed you that you will not know your potential and you will forget it. Here, in that case, he had to be reminded. But in this case, you can know yourself. And there are a lot of opportunities here, and I am happy a lot of people are achieving it. And seeing those people, you must also get inspired. And I feel that yes, this world would be a equal world for everyone. And for that, one more important thing I feel is that it is not that they need support of others for reaching the higher heights. You can yourself do it, and you can create opportunities for yourself. And I also say that this modern world now, there are no distances, there are no communication issues. A lot of things are available, a lot of careers are available, a lot of knowledge is available. So we can reach greater heights, and I wish all the best to everyone. And this today we are meeting on this special show of movie, this Thappad, and I don't know, many people might have seen it. It is a very well made movie, and it tells about the feelings of people. This feelings can be not only for a women only, it can be for everyone. Like a thappad can represent so many things. In childhood, we have been having so many. Most of us, we have been having so many. But it was out of love and affection, and maybe just to motivate us to do something better. And thappads are available from friends also. We have been doing it. We have been doing it for our friends for years together. So we also had a lot of thappads, and we have also beaten many friends also. So it gives a lot of meanings. But in this movie, the thappad is mostly, which really, I would say, creates lots of questions in the mind of somebody who had it unreasonably before the public eye. So that is what is there in this, and it is really thought-provoking movie, and maybe it is question of dignity for women, it is question of self-respect for women, it is question of independence for women, and it is again says that one has huge potential. One should not be bound by anything else. So I wish all the people present here a very, very happy International Women's Day, and I thank AMB Cinemas for giving me opportunity, and all the best to everyone. Thank you. Good evening.
అందరికీ హ్యాపీ ఉమెన్స్ డే. మేము ఇవాళ మా ఏఎంబీ సినిమాస్లో మేము చాలా గర్వపడుతున్నాము. ఇవాళ మా ఏఎంబీ సినిమాస్కి చాలా పెద్ద పెద్ద వాళ్ళు వచ్చి మాతో పాటు ఇవాళ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఉమెన్స్ డే సెలబ్రేట్ చేశారు. మా థియేటర్ చాలా సిటీలోనే హైదరాబాద్లోనే చాలా మోస్ట్ లగ్జూరియస్ థియేటర్. వీఆర్ వెరీ ఆనర్డ్ అండ్ హ్యాపీ దట్ ఇవాళ అంత పెద్ద పోలీస్ ఆఫీసర్స్ అండ్ ఆర్మీ నుంచి ఇంత పెద్ద ఆఫీసర్స్ వచ్చి కొంచెం టైం స్పెండ్ చేశారు మాతో పాటు. కేక్ కూడా కట్ చేశారు. ఈ ఒకేషన్లో మేము యాక్చువల్లీ ఉమెన్ ఎంపవర్మెంట్ అంటే మనం ఒక ఉమెన్ ఎంత స్ట్రాంగ్గా అవ్వాలి, ఎంత ఎంపవర్డ్గా ఉండాలో అది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. మనలో ఇన్నర్ స్ట్రెంత్ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని మనము బాగా ఉపయోగించుకోవాలి, డిటర్మినేషన్తో మనము లైఫ్ లీడ్ చేసుకోవాలి అనే మెసేజ్ మేము పాస్ చేయాలనుకున్నాము. ఇదే రీజన్తో మేము థప్పడ్ అని హిందీ మూవీ, బేసిక్లీ ఆ మూవీలో ఒక డిటర్మినేషన్తో విల్ పవర్తో మనం ఎన్ని కష్టాలన్నా మనం ఎదుర్కోవచ్చు అని సందేశం ఉన్న మూవీ. దాన్ని మేము షీ టీమ్ అండ్ ఎన్సీసీ క్యాడెట్ ఉమెన్ కోసము స్పెషల్ స్క్రీనింగ్ స్పెషల్ స్క్రీనింగ్ వేస్తున్నాము. అదే సందర్భంగా ఇవాళ మా ఏఎంబీ సినిమాస్కి మిస్టర్ జితేంద్ర ఐపీఎస్ అడిషనల్ డీజీపీ వచ్చారు. అలాగే ఆయనతో పాటు మిస్టర్ అభిజిత్ చంద్ర బ్రిగేడియర్, కర్నల్ శ్రీనివాస్ పీటీఓ, మిస్టర్ వెంకటేశ్వరరావు మాదాపూర్ డీసీపీ, కర్నల్ కురుక్షేత్ర ఎన్సీసీ వింగ్ కమాండ్, మిస్ అనసూయ అడిషనల్ డీజీపీ షీ టీమ్స్ వచ్చారు. అలాగే కర్నల్ ధరమ్ సింగ్ కూడా వచ్చి మాతో కొంచెం టైం స్పెండ్ చేశారు. వీఆర్ వెరీ ఆనర్డ్ అండ్ డిలైటెడ్ దట్ దే కుడ్ స్పెండ్ సమ్ టైమ్ విత్ అస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hi, this is Navdeep and please subscribe to Mirror TV. Thank you.
Hi everyone, please subscribe to Mirrors.
Hi guys, please subscribe Mirror TV.
Hi, this is Pradeep Machraju. Please subscribe to Mirror TV.